welcome to Aditya's Guitar Hub. Today this video is for the song Night Changes. So we will learn in this chords, strumming pattern and the music of the song. So let's start with chords. So the chords used are, first chord is G major. So press 3rd fret on 6th string, 2nd fret on 5th string and 3rd fret on last string, 1st string. Or we can use 3rd fret on the 2nd string also. The 2nd chord is E minor. So press 2nd fret on 5th string, 2nd fret on 4th string, and the 3rd chord is B minor. So in this chord we have two options, or to put bar or use like this. So press 2nd fret on 1st wire, 3rd fret on 2nd wire, 4th fret on 3rd wire and 4th fret of 4th wire. We can also use bar. So the 4th chord is D major. Press 2nd fret on 3rd string, 3rd fret on 3rd string. Stop karo. So the 4th chord is D major. Press 2nd fret on 3rd string, 3rd fret on 2nd string and 2nd fret of 1st string. The other chords used are A major, E major, F sharp minor and C sharp minor. F sharp minor is from 2nd fret and C sharp minor is 4th fret, starting from 4th fret. So let's start with the song. So first verse, in the first verse the chords used are G major, E minor, B minor and D. This is the order of the chords. So on the G major, punch strum, wait for some seconds, 4 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, then E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, then B minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then D major, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to strum only once in all the chords and repeat this twice. So play from starting. 1, 2, 3, 4. So play this twice. Now, so the song is like this. Going out tonight, and do something right. Her mother doesn't like the kind of dress, everything she had she shouldn't go. Moving too fast, moon is breaking up her skin. She said, doesn't like she forgot. I know the crowds is all that she really wants. So starting with the chorus. So in the starting we have to play this chord of C and D. The strumming pattern is like it: down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So once on each chord. So we have to play C and D 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now G major, then D and E minor. We have to strum once on down. We have to once down strum on G, then once down a strum on D and once down a strum on E minor. and after a second start with a beat on this E minor, half beat like this. Like after giving down stroke, wait for a second, then up, up, down, up. Then again start with C and D 3 times. Three. Then again same thing, G, D and E minor. And after that we have to once down strum on C, once down strum on D, and wait for a more time and then G. So as our first part is completed, we will play it all together. So starting from the verse. Going out tonight, down changes into something black. Her mother doesn't let it kind of trust everything she's down with. She's showing off, trying to pass through the second. She's that's all that she One, two, three. At the last, we have to one strum like this on G major chord. So completing with the first part, now we will move on the second part of the song. That is the second verse. So we have to play the same thing we have played in the first verse, but the strumming pattern is changed. The strumming pattern is now the beat, down, up, muted, and up, down, up, again muted. So the beat is like on each chord we have to play twice this beat. So with going with the song, chasing it tonight, down running down the night, he's ready, hide behind a cigarette, not his getting down, he doesn't want to solve. Now we have to play again this whole. So on the verse, moving too fast, it's like now we have to move again on the chorus. It is same like we have played first time in the first chorus, same chords on and the same strumming pattern. 2, 3, 4. So we are done with the second chorus. So coming on with the last verse, in this we have to change the chords. In this we have to put chords A major, F sharp minor, C sharp minor and A major, E major. So the order of the chords is also like this. So same as the first verse, we have to strum once on each chord. Going out tonight, A major, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, E major. So coming up with the chorus. In this chorus, the strumming pattern is same of the down, down, up, down, up, but the chords are changed. instead of C we will use D, and instead of D we will use E. So before we are playing like this, now we will play 1, 2, 3. Now we will play A major, E major and F sharp minor, all downstrokes. Like before we have done with the G, D and E minor, we will do the same thing with the A, E major and F sharp minor. So playing it together, 1, 1, 2, 3, then A, E and F sharp minor, then D, E and at the last A. The chorus is just same like as the all chorus, but all the chords are changed. The strumming pattern is same, and at this A, at last the song will end. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. So please give me the thumbs up and subscribe my channel to get more guitar tutorials. And if you have any doubt regarding this video, so please ask me in the comment box given below. Thank you guys.